Color grading can take a long time, but with the presets included in our list of the 10 best cinematic LUTs for Premiere Pro, you can create different atmospheres like thriller, sci-fi, blockbuster, or the classic teal and orange with just a few clicks. So stick with us until the end to find the perfect kit for you. Number 10. Demo FX Movie Pro Cinematic Effects by AirRocket. We're starting our countdown with one of the most versatile LUT packs on this list, as it's compatible with Premiere Pro, After Effects, Final Cut, and even DaVinci Resolve. This kit includes particles, light leaks, sound effects, color LUTs, and transitions. It's straightforward to use. Just drag the file to your timeline, change the blend mode, and there you have it. Number 9. Cinematic Color Presets Premiere Pro by Videologio. Videologio offers us a kit of Premiere Pro LUTs that will surely speed up your color grading workflow. It has LUTs inspired by great movies like Amelie, Blade Runner, or The Matrix, as well as light leaks, vignettes, and dust and scratch, making this kit an essential tool if you're into filmmaking. Number 8. Ultra Color LUTs Pack for Any Software by Candy Mustache. Transform your videos into cinematic, eye-catching visual experiences with Ultra Color. This pack with 100 LUTs is super easy to use, works with any software, and gives your footage cinematic color grading by simply dragging the preset into your timeline. Number 7. 1000 Cinematic Color Presets LUT Pack for Premiere Pro by Cult Video. The only problem you'll find when downloading this pack of professional LUTs is choosing which one you like the most, because Cult Video gives us 1000 cinematic LUTs divided into 12 different categories: aerial, cinematic, fashion, and skin, just to name a few. Download this pack and explore the possibilities. Number 6. Sci-Fi LUTs by Playground Studio. As its name suggests, this Premiere Pro LUTs kit is designed to bring your sci-fi projects to life. It contains 23 LUTs with predominantly green and blue colors and high contrast, perfect for recreating the sci-fi aesthetic in your projects. All of the LUTs we've seen so far are available from Envato Elements, a subscription-based library that gives you access to millions of assets like royalty-free music, stock footage, motion graphic templates, and everything in between to take your projects to the highest level. Suppose you're interested in learning more about color correction? In that case, our friend Tom over at the Envato Tuts Plus channel has an in-depth tutorial that lasts over an hour and will teach you everything you need to know about color grading. You can click on the card on your screen or find the link in the description below. Number 5. Thriller LUTs by Playground Studio. Another Playground Studio package, this one is inspired by thriller movies. This kit includes 26 different LUTs that allow you to create a suspenseful setting with just a few clicks. Download this pack and get your audience on the edge of their seats. Number 4. LUTs Color Presets for Premiere Pro by Nitrosme. This pack includes 500 cinematic LUTs, so varied that they will allow you to achieve the look you want, from the classic teal and orange to LUTs with high contrast and saturation, perfect for fashion videos. Number 3. Cinematic LUTs Volume 1 by Pixflow. With these professional LUTs, you can make your videos look like the top-notch movies that we all love. The Color Presets pack is simple to use, and with just a few clicks, you can see amazing results in your videos. These color presets are suitable for all cameras and software supporting LUTs and cube files. Number 2. Blockbuster LUTs by Playground Studio. Now you can recreate the look of blockbuster movies from the comfort of Premiere Pro. With this kit, Playground Studio offers us 120 blockbuster LUTs, compatible with a wide range of cameras and very easy to use. Number 1. Cinematic LUTs by Playground Studio. The number 1 spot on our list is a pack containing 84 cinematic LUTs with different contrast, exposure, and saturation. This gives you many options to choose from or mix and match to create the best look for your story. We've come to the end of our list. Let us know in the comments section below which of these templates was your favorite. Don't forget to leave us a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notifications bell so you don't miss any of our future videos. Want more content from Envato? Click on the video thumbnail shown on your screen. Catch you in the next video.